Happy day, children. Classic Science Biology, Chapter 14, Water. This is part 2 video, Drought. Sometimes there is very little rainfall during the summer months. Rivers and ponds dry up and the land becomes dry and the crops cannot grow properly. Such a condition we call it as drought. People may even die due to the shortage of food and water. Such a condition we call it as famine. So deficient rainfall can also be a reason of drought. So in case of deficient rain, soil and wells still continue to lose water to transpiration and evaporation because even the groundwater does not get replenished. So this we call it as drought. Next is flood. Sometimes if rains heavily during the monsoon's months, the rivers rise above their banks and flow into the nearby land. Such a condition is known as floods. In coastal area, flooding is often caused by cyclones. So in case of continuous rains, the water level rises and leads to flood. So consequences of flood. So when the soil gets too much of water, air in the soil comes out of it. Due to the lack of water, the animals living inside the soil also comes out. So heavy rainfall also results in the loss of crops due to flood. So when we'll see the factor responsible for flood, a number of factors may be intensity and duration of rainfall, soil condition, and the presence of plants or trees on the ground. How we can able to conserve water? Conservation of water. It means the wise and the careful use of water by not wasting it and also maintaining its quality. It can be conserved by the following ways. All water in the oceans is saline form and cannot be used directly. So the total water on the earth does not change, but the water available for us to use diminishes with overuse. So when the groundwater goes below drastically, it cannot be accessed anymore. In industries and the production of food, water on industries also we are using, that can be minimized. Avoiding wastage of water, recycling of water wherever possible, planting trees and other vegetation, reducing water pollution, and controlling flooding and storing water for use. Mainly rainwater harvesting, implementing rainwater harvesting plans. The population growth is exponential, but the water sources are only depleting. So these are the ways we can able to conserve water. Use water efficiently when we flush it, find and repair leaks, quick shower, convert water and energy saving faucets, water plants during the coolest part of the day. So these are the some ways so that we can able to usage of water. So the next main important thing is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater does not always fall on soil or water sources. In fact, much of it falls on the rooftops of houses and concrete floors, and thus does not become a part of groundwater. So hence a very important method to follow, that is to harvest rainwater so it can be used for future use. So one such type is rooftop rainwater harvesting. So in this method, the rainwater which falls on the rooftop is allowed to pass into a storage tank through pipes. So this water may be directly and hence not fit for direct use, since it can be allowed into directly go into the ground with the help of pipes. So this is one of the rooftop rainwater harvesting. Thank you, children.